Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about what is MongoDB. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Our article for today is provided to us by Tech Target. Thank you, Tech Target. And then this article was written by Alexander S. Gillis, technical writer and editor. So basically, let us define what is MongoDB. No? So what is MongoDB? MongoDB is an open source NoSQL database management program. NoSQL, not only SQL, is used as an alternative to traditional relational databases. NoSQL databases are quite useful for working with large sets of distributed data. MongoDB is a tool that can manage document-oriented information, store or retrieve information. MongoDB is used for high-volume data storage, helping organizations store large amounts of data while performing rapidly. Organizations also use MongoDB for its ad hoc queries, indexing, load balancing, aggregation, server-side JavaScript execution, and other features. Structured Query Language or SQL is a standardized programming language that is used to manage relational databases. SQL normalizes data in schemas and tables, and every table has a fixed structure. Instead of using tables in rows as in relational databases, as a new SQL database, the MongoDB architecture is made up of collections and documents. Documents are made up of key value pairs, MongoDB's basic unit of data. Collections, the equivalent of SQL tables, contain document sets. MongoDB offers support for many programming languages such as C, C++, C#, Go, Java, Python, Ruby, and Swift. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation on what is MongoDB is all about. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.